Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a Target unboxing. I bought a few clothes from Target and I just wanted to open it up and see what we have. So the first thing I got was this New Day Eyelet pink. They call it pink, but to me it's got a little bit of an orangey maybe tint to it. So Target's always having some great sales, so I got some of these on sale, and you can always find good sales every once in a while at Target. So this is a New Day Eyelet short sleeve shirt. It comes with a little cami attached to it, but I usually take those out because I usually just like to use my own. It doesn't have any stretch to it. This shirt, the cami doesn't, and neither does the actual shirt. So I actually sized up to a large in this, typically a medium in a New Day, but this one I got in a large. So, and it comes in some other colors as well. So that was the first shirt. Okay, and then the next thing is, I think I bought mostly, if not all, shirts. I don't buy a lot of pants online because it's harder to buy them online. Another New Day shirt with like a little bit of puff sleeve. I don't buy a lot of black, but I figured I need some black to go with some more of my patterned pants, like my camo pants and that type of thing. So this is, I decided to do a black in this. This one's a medium. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, so I did a medium. It's got the cute puff sleeves, which are very in right now, of course, with the little elastic on the sleeves. And then, probably hard for you guys to see, but it's got a little bit of a textured pattern to it. So it's a little stretchy, so we did a medium in this one. So I figured this would be very versatile to go with a lot of different bottoms. So that's another New Day shirt. This one's a medium. Okay, and then one more thing in this package is a New Day. I think I pretty much did all a New Day. Target has a lot of their brand, a New Day, so that's a lot of different choices you can choose from. So this one is a pink little short sleeve puff sweatshirt. So again, the puff sleeves are so in right now. So this is a kind of heavier weight actual sweatshirt material with like the powdery pink color. Did a medium in this one, which is my typical size. And I think this will be pretty versatile. It's got the banded bottom like a sweatshirt and the banded sleeves and the puffs to the sleeves. So I just think this can go with a lot of different things. So this is a really cute top, and this came in a bunch of colors, and as you'll see, I actually bought a couple more colors in this one as well. Okay, and then I got some things that ship separately. So this is another one of those cute puff sleeve sweatshirt. This one is they call it red. It's a really pretty red. There's some reds I don't like, but this one is actually kind of a different kind of has a little bit of orange to it, I think. So again, this one was a medium. This one they were sold out of, so I had to wait. They have a thing where you can do notify me if it comes in stock, so I had to do that, and then they notified me and I had to buy it right away, otherwise it goes back out of stock again. But the red one was one that there was very low stock on, so I did this one in a medium just like the pink. So this is the same sweatshirt as that little pink puff sleeve sweatshirt, and this is, they call it red, and it's got again the puff sleeves and sweatshirt material, a little heavier material, so it might not be great for super hot days, probably better for like spring and fall. But yeah, this really pretty color. I don't usually do a lot of red, so I thought I'd try it. Okay, and then I have another Target, and that seems to be the theme today. So this, surprise, surprise, this is the same sweatshirt but in blue. So I bought it in three colors, the light pink, the red, and the blue. And the blue is the same as the red, where it was not easily stocked. The pink was in stock in all the sizes, but the blue and the red and the gray, which I didn't get the gray, but they were a little harder to find, so I had to get notified again when that was in stock and then go online and get it right away. So this is that sweatshirt material, a New Day, size medium, super cute puff sleeve. Puff sleeves are so popular right now, so I've got a bunch of different things in puff sleeves, but Target definitely has some really cute ones. Okay, and then one more Target package, and then we're done with Target packages that I've gotten for today. This is another New Day. I think I got all a New Day this time. They have such a great line. And this one was a white eyelet sleeve. I saw this on a lot of different bloggers and I thought it was really cute. So I decided to get it. This one, I got a medium. I was afraid it's a little short in the medium in the body because I did try it on in the store before I went online and bought it, but the body's a little short, but the large, when I tried the large on, the sleeves just didn't fit right. They were too extra puffy and baggy, and the body was a little baggy, so, and I like things more fitted. So even though the length is a little short in the medium on me, I decided to go with the medium because the large just seemed a little big everywhere. So this one came in some other colors too. That red color that I got my sweatshirt in, short sleeve sweatshirt, they actually had in this as well. And then kind of like a mustard gold color, I'm not sure what they called it. And then also I think black. There's a few different colors in all of these things I got. So this one also did come in a few, but it's really cute. Again, a theme here today, a little bit of a puff sleeve. And then Eyelet also is very in right now, so it's kind of got all the trends. And then this body obviously is just smooth cotton. So yeah, so a new day. Target's really got tons of stuff right now. They're really slaying it right now with all the cute eyelets and puff sleeves and different on-trend things. So yeah, if you want to check out Target's line right now, I think you will not be disappointed. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Target haul, my big Target haul with all my puff sleeves. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks, have a great day.